If your windows are leaking at the lower corners, it's probably because the sill pan flashing is shot or missing, and that's a total pain you need to fix fast. So, first thing, check if the sill pan flashing is there at all. If it's missing or cracked, water's just sneaking in underneath and wrecking stuff. You gotta either patch up the flashing or put in new sill pans to stop that leak. When you're installing new pans, make sure they're properly sloped so water runs out, not in. Use a good waterproof tape or sealant around the edges for extra protection. Also, double check the window frame and caulking around it. Sometimes leaks come from gaps or old caulk wearing out. Keep the area clean from debris too, cause leaves and dirt can trap moisture against your window. And don't forget to look under the siding or trim to see if water's getting trapped behind there. Doing these little checks can save you a ton of headache later. One of the biggest mistakes with window leaks is ignoring the sill pan flashing altogether. People think just caulking will do, but it won't stop water from pooling and rotting wood underneath. Another issue is installing flashing or pans that aren't properly angled, so water just hangs around instead of draining off. Fix that by making sure the pan slopes outward. The third mess up is using cheap or wrong materials for flashing. Always use high-quality waterproof flashing designed for windows, or you'll be back at square one soon. Fixing these right means less mold, no wood rot, and no nasty drafts sneaking in next winter. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you want to find trusted local pros who know exactly how to handle window leaks and sill pan flashing. It also helps contractors get connected with homeowners who need their skills, making fixing stuff way easier for everyone.